universe, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and install of this 28-inch 5x5 250% density wig from Kiss Love Hair. This wig is completely glueless. This is their wear and go wig, and I've tried Kiss Love so many times at this point and they just never disappoint. Of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box, but we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig very quickly. I am always loving a good wear and go wig, y'all. Like, I need them, especially when I go to the gym and I don't want to actually mess with glue. I just want a wig I can put on when I'm going to the gym and then just take off without it getting so sweaty and covered. The glue starts balling up and stuff. So we love a good wear and go. So here is the bag. It's from Kiss Love Hair. I've bought from them a few times, you guys. So they never disappoint. They do not disappoint. Ooh, this ribbon is a little tight, you guys. 1 second. Okay, so firstly in here we got a cute little present, best wishes. Got little roses on the side. And over here you have some jewelry. Very, very cute box. Let me see. These are earrings, okay. Yeah, these are little gold hoops. That is cute. I'm like, what are these? They're hoops, you guys. So we're gonna look at the wig last, but 28 inches, bam, bam, bam. So you have an HD wig cap. These are actually 2 HD wig caps in there. You have a pair of lashes, an edge control brush, an edge brush, rat tail comb. You can never have too many of these, honey, at all. And a headband. So this will be great if you actually decide to install the wig and glue it down, but this wig should not need glue at all. You just slap that thing on, so. We got that just in case. Or if you want to sleep with the wig on or just need it to be like, bam. And let's see, is that everything in here? Okay, and we have a hair clip. So this will be used when you style the wig. If you want to pull the hair back for whatever reason, you got a little hair clip here. But let's get into this wig, girls. Let's get into this wig. So this should be a 28-inch 5x5 250% density wig. Y'all know I love my 250% density wigs. Like, I love them. I don't play. So here is the hair. The hair is looking beautiful, super full. Like, I like this curl pattern. This looks nice. Okay, this is really, really pretty. Here it is, very, very wavy. Very cute. And of course, the wig comes pre-plucked. The knots are already bleached on the wig, so you should not have to do that. And the lace is already cut, so you don't even have to cut the lace. Like, these wigs are very, very convenient, you guys. Let me take out that tissue paper. So here it is, you guys. Bam, bam, bam. You do not have to do anything to this wig. I should just be able to slap this thing on and call it a day. But the one thing I am gonna do, because I am a brown, dark skinned girly, so we are going to add a little bit of lace tint to the lace to make it just a little bit closer to my skin tone. So as you can see, here's the lace. It's pre-cut. You see it's kind of wavy over there. And you actually get a lot of parting space. I tell you all, I love a good long middle part. Let me show y'all this. So yeah, you get a long middle part right there. It is pretty long. Hold on, it's kind of curved right here. So yeah, you get a lot of space. And of course it comes with an elastic band. You can loosen it or tighten it depending on how tight you want your wig or how big your head is. But let's go ahead and put a little lace tint on this lace. Bam, you guys, and just like that, that's all I should need to do to this wig. Okay, so now I'm going to put this thing on and see if it's giving the girly scalp or not. Let's see. So definitely if you have a smaller head, you're good. I know some of the girlies worry about how the wigs will fit if they have a smaller head. Oh yeah, this wig feels very, very snug. Like, it's not playing at all. This wig feels very, very snug, you guys. It is extremely secure. So the first thing I'm gonna do is kind of flatten it a little bit because it is kind of up. And I personally think I want a little baby hair, so we're gonna add a little baby hair right here. We're gonna add a little bit of baby hair. Of course, you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but we shall add a little baby hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little gel here for the baby hairs. And I'm gonna blow dry it to make sure it is just stuck. Okay, now that is eating. I feel like it's eating now. This wig is really, really secure. I feel like none of the glueless wigs I've tried have felt this secure. Yeah, I look like a princess, honestly. That's what I feel like right now, a little princess. That looks very, very cute. I am loving this body wave. Like, just the natural texture. I'm loving that. So I'm adding a little mousse because I want to flatten it a little more and get it molded the way I want it molded. But yeah, this looks really cute now. The baby hair did it for me, for sure. It's like, sometimes I like baby hair, sometimes I don't, but like, this eats. I look like a little princess. I love it. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. And I'm also gonna show you all where this hair falls on me. I am 5'7", so I'm gonna show you where this 28-inch wig will fall on me. Look at, oh, I look so pretty. Oh, I will probably tie this down so it can be super flat, but like, I look gorgeous. It is eating the girlies up. So I'm 5'7", like I said. Let me get up. This is actually pretty long. I'm not gonna lie, this is long. And of course, if I straightened it, it would hit my butt. So yeah, that's 28 inches. But as you all can see, this wig is 100% glueless. Let's do the little comb test. As you all can see, like, this thing is secure. It is completely glueless, you guys. Of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. Once again, this wig is from Kiss Love Hair. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye. How long was that right there? You guys?